Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xingfa Exhibition Hall. Xingfa System is an R&D department of Xingfa Windows and Doors. And here behind me is Xingfa Exhibition Centers of key research items demonstrations. Let's go and take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is slim sliding door. As you can see, this product uses a large area of glass by using slim aluminum profiles. These products mainly used between living room and the kitchen as isolations. And also, as you can see, this product uses stainless steel tracks. While you're using, the open is smooth and easy